Hello everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. What I want to talk about today is having the confidence to do something. The biggest thing I see when I travel around the country and work with people with real estate is they don't have the confidence sometimes that they can do this. Well, here's the thing that I want to tell you. Everybody out there has had a challenge at one point or another in their life. There's something they never thought they would get through, and they did get through it. They became smarter, they became stronger. At the time, they didn't think they would get through it. They thought there's no way they're going to get through it, but they did. Real estate investing can be the same thing. You're going to get through this. You're going to be able to do it. You're going to become stronger, and you're going to be able to hit the ground running by getting out there and doing things that you never thought you could do. So have confidence in yourself. Look at the challenges you have overcome. Look at where you're at today. Where can you be tomorrow? That is up to you. Believe and achieve.